1964 Chevrolet Impala convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Small block Chev underneath the hood, 327 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome in this bumper. Nice shape. Grille, headlight surrounds, bright work. Also in good condition. Has had a repaint to red. Black vinyl power top, red interior. Maybe a few small imperfections in the paint. There's one right here, but overall, you can see paint practically looks like it's wet. Does show well, and you can see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you're going to check out all the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Chevrolet wheel covers, white wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels, nice and straight, front to the rear. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, very popular model year body style for the Impala. Vinyl interior also in nice shape. Seat belts front and rear. Wipers do work. Heater works. Stereo powers up, but I was not able to get reception with it, FYI. Could use an A in the Impala emblem right there. Dual antenna car. Always a great look. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Dual exhaust, complete from front to rear. Good sounding 327. We are going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I'll show you the top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of that. The convertible top cover is in nice shape, fits well. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. A couple notes from the tech that looked at this car in our shop. Shocks could use some attention in the near future. Brakes are 80% front and rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed. A few nice add-ons. Kind of the paint guard, nail guard on the gas cap and door handles. A little custom touch to this car, and you can see driver's side again. Paint shows well. If you like Impalas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here. At Unique Classic Cars, videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Door panel looks good. And I will, again, show you the top function, up and down. Check out the condition. No rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. I think we need to fire this up. Again, 327. Just see when Jason takes it for a drive how that speedometer reacts. Dash looks good. Like I said, good sounding car, nice deep throaty exhaust note. Door closes nicely. Ooh, listen to this. That's a good sounding car. All right, let me get up to the front. Just pop this hood open. Check out this engine bay. We'll move on to the top. There's a good look at the hood liner. Pretty clean. And engine bay, aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, 327 small block Chev. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Edelbrock intake manifold. Smooth runner. Nice looking engine bay. Let's go ahead and get this power top up, show you how that functions. We'll check out the condition of it. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. And the top up. Let's take a good look at this. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass also rolled up. Nice fit there. Obviously black vinyl. Appears to be a newer top. Rear window nice and clear also. No surprises on this one. Passenger side, nice fit with the side glass. No rips, tears, holes, doesn't really show any wear at all. Needed to keep you out of the sun or a brief shower, what have you. It's going to work and serve its purpose just fine. Top looks good. I will show you it going back down also. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Nice 1964 Chevrolet Impala convertible. Number to call us at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet Impala in red, and we do have the top down today. Our speedometer's working, both turn signals are working. Another iconic car from Chevrolet, the 64 Impala. And this, even in a convertible, it's a very desirable. Fuel gauge shows a little over a quarter of a tank. We are equipped with a clock over here on the right. Good acceleration from this car. A very nice exhaust note. The factory horn is working. If you're getting some wind noise, that's just the nature of driving with the top down on a beautiful sunny day. The blower motor works on this car. The wipers also function. Nice looking interior. The carpet looks pretty fresh. Bench seat, front and back. Bring the whole family or all your friends. Bring the whole gang. A lovely feel on the road. Absorbing any imperfections with a nice semi-soft suspension. Good for cruises and road trips. I can't tell if the speedometer is exactly on the miles per hour, but it is working. Brakes are smooth and work as they should. Corners nicely. It does lean into corners. That's a luxurious ride of the full-size Chevy Impala in 1964. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.